Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do a quick compilation video of what I eat in a day. On a typical day, obviously what I eat will change from day to day, but I thought today would be the perfect time and the perfect opportunity to film this, and especially that I've been asked for such a long time by all of you guys on Instagram and YouTube to kind of show more of what I eat. And to be honest with you, I've actually been super bad with eating since I've had 2 kids and I was kind of with them on my own throughout the day, so I wouldn't really eat as much as I wanted to or as often as I wanted to. But now that Adriana is in preschool and Andreas is home with me, I have a bit more time to eat when he actually naps. So I thought it's the perfect time, it's the perfect opportunity. So if you want to know what I eat on a typical day, then keep on watching. Okay, so first thing every morning I do is have some freshly squeezed lemon juice with warm water and some chia seeds. And it is just, I've been doing this for so many years. I started with just lemon water and then just started adding chia seeds for added nutrition. And honestly, I can't start my day unless I have one of these. And it just feels so refreshing and hydrating and just a great way to detoxify your body first thing in the morning. Okay, so for breakfast today, I'm having my coffee and I just take it black. And then I'm having bagels, pumpernickel bagels. One of them I'm having with some avocado, just mashed avocado with some salt. And then another one with cream cheese and smoked salmon. And I absolutely love these bagels. I have such a weak spot for baked goods, and we have this amazing bagel store nearby, and it's actually on the way from dropping off Adriana at school. So I just picked these up and they're nice and fresh. So while Andreas is napping, I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast, and yeah, bon appetit to me. Something that I've been trying to be more conscious of and trying to include more of into my diet is water. As simple as water, it makes all the difference. Sometimes when you feel hungry, it's actually your body telling you you're thirsty. So what I try to do is just fill up my bottle with filtered water and just have it with me wherever I am throughout the house, so I'm more inclined to drink it. You know, if it's in front of you, you're more inclined to drink it. So that's what I just did. I filled up the bottle and I'll try to sip through the bottle throughout the day. Then I'll have another bottle before I go to sleep. And then you guys saw I had that water in the morning. So I think I should probably be drinking even more than I do now, but you know, baby steps, small steps. Yeah, so I'm gonna be sipping on the water for now. Okay, so for lunch today, I'm having the sandwich here with some mayo, oven roasted chicken breast, tomatoes, and hot peppers. And then on the side, cucumber and fresh cucumber and radish, and then a cup of tea. This is vanilla chai, delicious, and it's also decaf because I already had the coffee in the morning. So there you have it, that's lunch. All right, so for dinner tonight, I am so excited to be partnering up with HelloFresh again. If you've watched one of my previous videos, they've contacted me before and I absolutely love the experience. I've actually used the recipes that have come in and I'm excited to see what's inside and to choose what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. I've never heard of HelloFresh. HelloFresh is a meal kit delivery service. They are awesome, using delicious recipes to choose from. They're all chef curated, super easy to make. A lot of them are one pot type of meals that save you so much time on meal planning, something that I do all the time that helps me a lot. But having something like this takes it to the next level because you can choose the type of service you want. They have, I think, classic, veggie, and like a family plan or something like that. So you get to choose how many days a week and for how many people. So I have the veggie plan here. It just for busy moms or busy professionals, busy moms, it just makes your life a little bit easier. And the best part is that it's a subscription service, but I like that you have the flexibility to pause at any time. If you don't want the delivery done on certain weeks, you can pause and then recontinue. Something else that I really enjoy about the service is that all the recipes come with recipe cards, and it's like step by step with pictures of what to do and how to do it. Also, all the ingredients are pre-measured and pre-packaged, so it makes cooking so much more easier and so much more enjoyable, and clean up so much faster and easier. So it's probably even cheaper than doing takeout or going out for dinner, as each meal I think comes out to about $10 or so per meal per person. So anyhow, if you want to check them out, I have a coupon code for you guys, and you can go to www.hellofresh.com and enter coupon code Leyla30 for $30 off of your first week of HelloFresh deliveries. So yeah, I will include the link in the bottom bar, and now I'm gonna open up the box and show you what's inside and also decide on what we're gonna be having for dinner tonight. Alright, so there you go. Here is what the recipe cards look like. Again, if you've never seen these, beautiful pictures, beautiful photography, and the step-by-step to how to prepare the recipes. So this week we have open-faced mushroom melt. Sounds yummy. I have the veggie plan, so that's why all these are vegetarian friendly. So hoisin broccoli and rice noodles, and a winter risotto. Which one should we have tonight? I think maybe we'll try the mushroom melt, which is over here. So I'll open this one up and show you guys what they look like inside. So here are the sweet potatoes, the buns, ciabatta buns, the portobello mushrooms. Everything is fresh. This must be the fresh mozzarella, tomatoes, basil. So here are all the ingredients. Yeah, I'm going to show you a quick little fast forward of preparing it and then what it turns out like. So here is the finished product. You know what, actually, before you eat it, Brianna, let's compare how it looks. Does it look like the final product that they had here? I think it looks pretty close. Oh, somebody's very hungry. Can you wait a second? Okay, hold on. Someone's very excited to eat.
Yes.
How is it? Is it tasty? Let me try one too. Sweet potatoes. Yum, yum, yum. All right, we're gonna go enjoy the dinner now. Thank you. It's hot, right? Just came out of the oven.
Wow.
Yummy.
That's amazing.
So there you have it, guys. That is what I would eat on a typical day. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this one of what I'm eating, what I'm cooking, maybe some meal planning and things like that, then definitely give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. And also let me know if you want to see like baby editions of what, let's say, what Andreas eat on a typical day and things like that. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. I would love to have you as a subscriber, so hit that red subscribe button down below. And yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah!